Hi, I'm a product manager on the Autodesk Marketplace team. Today, I'm going to walk you through AI-enabled discovery of marketplace solutions, a new way to find the right app by describing the job you're trying to do, powered by Autodesk Assistant. I'll show you how it recommends, narrows, compares, and just as importantly, is honest about the limits and the trade-offs of what it finds. Let's dive in. Today, finding the right app on the Design and Make marketplace means knowing what to search for. But most people don't think in terms of product keywords. They think in terms of the jobs they are trying to accomplish or stuck on. That's the gap AI-enabled discovery of marketplace solutions closes. Instead of searching, you describe what you are trying to accomplish, and it maps that to a rank short list of real apps, first and third party, with a clear explanation of why each one of those fits. Let me show you. Let's say I'm editing a Revit schedules and family parameters, one row at a time, and it's painfully slow. I want to do it in bulk through Excel. I might type a query into Autodesk Assistant that says something like this. The response is 5 real options. Notice how it is spread across free, paid tiers, plus a mix of well-established and brand new apps, reflecting the actual marketplace catalog. Next, let's say we want to stick with well-established apps, not apps with 0 reviews. I might say something like this. Look what happened here. It didn't chase the highest star rating. It looked for a high rating with a higher sample size. Okay, now let's compare two different apps. What we're looking at is a side-by-side comparison of two different products. For this specific scenario, what's been highlighted is that one tool is built specifically for the job that you want it to handle, versus the other tool has this capability among a broader suite of other capabilities. So this is part of the response instead of treating both as equivalent. Now let's look at how we might be able to filter based on compatibility and other types of filters. Let's say I'm still using Revit 2021 and I want an app that is compatible. Among the options that were presented earlier, one of the options is compatible and the other is not, which is very obvious from this response. Finally, before making the final decision, I want to hear what other customers are saying about this product. What's happening now is this tool is parsing through all the reviews that this app currently has and is giving you a synthesis of the report. So it provides both positive and the negatives and providing you all the information that you need to be able to make an informed decision. This information is grounded in real data, honest guidance that follows the problem all the way through. That's the AI-enabled discovery of marketplace solutions. Describe the job, get a grounded shortlist spanning across pricing options, narrow by actually what matters to you, like it might be trust signals or version compatibility, and get an honest answer. Today, this capability lives on Marketplace. Soon, the same will be available via Autodesk Assistant on the Autodesk products that you work on, the developer portal, and other touch points that you work on while you're using Autodesk. Thank you, and I hope you check it out.